7 pa lang. Basahan ako. Pula na kay ko. And the reason I sent you flowers this week is because I am really, really proud of you for following your dream. But if I sent you flowers every time I've had the urge to send you flowers, you wouldn't even be able to fit inside your apartment because that's how much I think about you. You make me want to be a different person. But what if I don't know how to be what you need? This is all new to me, and I want to prove to you that I want you for so much more than just 1 month. Matulog sila nga magtapad. What the fuck? Red flag, red flag. Oh, cutie. Let's continue. Sure? Mag-vlog. Wala ko mag-vlog. Gusto na ako i-share akong emotions while nagbasa. Love triangle siya. Feeling ko kay love triangle siya. Feeling ko ang mga fans sa libro kay either Team Ryle or Team Atlas. Team Ryle ko. Basta sa'yo pa kayo. Pero Team Ryle ko kay wala pa na ako nakita na meet si Atlas sa present time. Naman ko flashback ano. Let's see. Best friend zone si Atlas. Okay, so nag-trauma bond si Atlas at si Lily. Huh? What the fuck? Nang pinahiray silang tayo sa baka. O niya na turn on si Lily, ha? Ako'y naulaw. Hindi ko gusto magbasa. Naulaw ko para sa iya. In that moment, just thinking about him made me feel weak. I wondered what I was going to do about the way I was starting to feel when I was around him. So na siya gusto ka, Atlas. Sa past. Pero si Atlas karon. Nag-break sila. Nagsila. I wish naka-video ko sa pagbasa na ko sa chapter 1 padulong. Like, katunga sa chapter 7. As in, daghan gikan hita sa chapter 7. But basically, nga nung Team Ryle ko, okay, first of all, siya ang pinaka-first introduce chapter 1 pa lang daan, na-introduce na yung character. I get you, Lily Bloom. I get it. Akong imagination saya kay ka na charming. Kung masaya mo, ang description saya ni Lily is like, mayaman, pang mayaman yung mga suot. Nag-kuan sila, nag-open up sila, like, you know, open up as strangers, and then, no judgment, whatsoever, ana-ana. 6 months pa, after like 6 months silang wala kita-kita, and then, nagkita lang sila tungod kay ang sister ni Ryle nagtrabaho sa flower shop ni Lily, and then, kuan pa to, kanang nagbung siya sa marag ladder, something nga na-spray niyang paa, spray niyang ankle, and then, gitawagan tayo ni, Alisa or Alyssa, basta something, Alisa ako pagbasa siyang name. Tawagan niya yung bana si Marshall, and then si Ryle, and then nakita sila dito, and then, ang pinaka-nitatak sa ako is, murag nangayo si Ryle sa, like, address ni, or like, something, ahalang nagpuyo, kaya naka-apartment na itong gipuyo, aning Lily, and then, ingon niya ang kaninga building, pero wala siya ningon unsa nga floor or unsa nga number yung apartment. So, gidagan, gipangita, gituktukan ni Ryle, 29 apartments yata to, 29 there's something niya, pagtuktok niya sa apartment ni Lily, kay kapoy na kay siya, halos na kay siya. Para lang yung ignore niya, make it stop, kay between the 6 months na time frame kay perminti daw niya mahuna-hunaan si Lily. Ito, nag-open na sila ang flower shop, and then nagpalit siya sa siyang first customer sa flower shop ni Lily, and then nagpalit siya bulak. Lily siya ang gipalit. Ipasulat siya card, siya yung message atong card niya sa likod sa card is ipasulat siya address, and then ang address niya gibutang kay ang address niya gibutang kay Lily Bloom's flower shop ni Lily, and then ang message kay make it stop. Pakon pa kasi ate nga, hala na siya kung ano yung babae siya, tagal yung babae, tapos Chosera, ikaw ba dito yung gihatagan. Ang pasabot sa yung make it stop is kuan, gusto siya ni Lily kay para one night stand person man gud si Ryle, and then si Lily kay into relationships ana si Ryle dili siya yung but then tiligid niya kuan sa ulo si Lily para ma-stop yung sige huna kang Lily. Gusto siya Dili hatag ni Lily, so murag challenge si Riley nga na. Nag-beg siya nga sila kay para dili na ma-distract si Riley kay murag na siya something basta na important ka mahitabo either exam ba or operation surgery something nga na feeling ko ka exam to kay para maganap neurosurgeon na dahil siya basta something nga na niya dili siya gusto nga distracted siya while mo take siya ato niya si Lily ra gyud permit niya huna sa iya ang utok. So yeah, man na to siya. Nakoy basahon. I'll never be able to respect rich people now, knowing they willingly chose to spend their money on materialistic things rather than using it to help other people. Cute kayo, awawa. I've missed you, and for some reason, I sleep better when I sleep next to you. Is it okay that I'm here? Klingi kay siya, cute kayo. Lo, he's mine, pero walay label. Lo. Lily, you just might be the best thing that's ever happened to me. Tabang! Feeling ko kay SPG ni. Lo, nagkita sila ni Atlas sa present. Nagkaan sa restaurant, ang mama ni Lily, si Lily, o si Ryle. Tapos nakita niya si Atlas as waiter. Kapila na daw ka years, wala sir nagkita ni Atlas. Distracted na siya. Ano pa siya feelings ni Atlas? Nagsila ni Atlas? Tabang. Hindi ko ganahan. Distracted na kay siya. Yung story na sila ni Atlas, okay man sila. In good terms man sila. So, wala lang sila or like dili toxic lang ba pero di ko ganahan nga distracted siya dili na siya makaistorya kang Ryle og tarong. team Ryle ko sakit kay siya. Okay, so after nakita si Lily ug Atlas in like what 8 years, almost a decade, nagilak siya, which makes me think na nagsila. Or kung wala may label, like, mutual understanding. Oh my God! May something nahitabo. Kay, yung mga gibugbog si Atlas sa iyang papa. Nasakpan kaya sila? Uy! Nagsakit si Atlas, flashback ni naisakit si Atlas. Siya ang nag-alaga ng Atlas and then puyo niya sa iyang bedroom si Atlas kay gasno niya naloy siya. Cute kayo si young Atlas and young Lily. Nanak ko sa part nga nagsila and then I don't know if nagsila but yeah, gamake out sila sa balay ni Lily but they haven't really talked about their label. I guess na sila ito understanding na unlike nilang isa't isa. Cute kaya na interaction. Cute kay si Atlas. Atlas. Everything is almost better in Boston, except the girls. Boston doesn't have you. Atlas! Ginakuha na ko ni mo. Stop! Oh! Abi ko ginakuha na ko ni Atlas, pero gikuha ko balik ni Ryle. I was worried that being in a relationship would add to my responsibilities. That's why I've avoided them my whole life. I already have enough on my plate, and seeing the stress my parents' marriage seemed to cause them, and the failed marriages of some of my friends, I wanted no part in something like that. But after tonight, I realized that maybe a lot of people are just doing it wrong, because what's happening between us doesn't feel like a responsibility. It feels like a reward, and I'll fall asleep wondering what I did to deserve it. Bars. Ryle? Ay, nako. Kuhang-kuha mo na yung heart ko. Screenshot ni Lily ang text ni Ryle, which is katong gibasa. I mean, same girl, same. So far, so good. Ryle is being a good boyfriend to Lily. I don't know if I can call him that, but I'll assume he's her boyfriend. Kaya they live together naman, nag-live-in na sila. Despite his busy schedule, he's doing his best na kanang magka-time kay Lily og silang relationship. Gikan siya sa isa ka surgery, something kay pag-abot niya kay kapoy kayang lawas, you know. Pero, make time siya right after na human siya sa trabaho ni Dritso siya sa flower shop ni Lily, which is kaka-open lang, and then nagtabang siya glimpse. So, he's being a good boyfriend. What else could go wrong?
Alas 10 na sa gabi and quiet na ako kahit tulog. Tulog na ng tao. Nag-announce na si Alisa. Nabulos siya. Finally, bulos na siya. Congrats, Alisa, whatever. I don't know, something's going on with Alisa and her brother Ryle. Especially itong nabalaanan niya nga mag-uyab na si Lily o si Ryle og nag-warning siya kang Lily and then na siya nga bad, which is technically tinood ng sadya. Amin na sad ni Ryle nga lagi dili siya into commitments, into relationship. Nga na sure ba. But then, napikon si Ryle ato and ingon din siya nga have some trust sa imong igso and something ano. So, okay, so official na sila. Confirm na ni Ryle. Good job, manok ko. Hi. Oh, apparently, it's 11:03. And, ngit na kayo. So, matulog na ako. Tiwason na ako siya, ugma. Good night.
Okay, so we just found out nga na ay older brother si Ryle o si Alisa. Wala pa natin na-meet yung character. Wala siya sa present time. So, na something nahitabo nga something traumatic or something naka-affect kang Ryle. Kaya feeling ko kay katong nag-istorya katong giwarningan ni Alisa si Lily about sa iyang kuya. Feeling ko kay may connection to sa iyang older brother. I'm still in page 136. Overall, okay sila ni Ryle o Lily. Walay problems. And then 300 ang pages overall. So napakoy 100 ka pen nga basahonon. So, what went wrong? You know what I like about you the most? I already know this answer, I say smiling. My mouth? He leans his head back against the couch. Oh yeah, that does come first. Do you know what my second favorite thing about you is? I shake my head. You don't put pressure on me to be something I'm incapable of being. You accept me exactly how I am. That one is one of my favorite lines so far. I don't know why, maybe because nakarelate ko or something. I don't know! Nag-decision ko nga Alisa na lang ako ang pag-pronounce sa ngalan sa manghod ni Ryle. Nakabasa ko nga ang nickname niya kay Isa. So, di ba? Isa ba Aisa? Apa di Japon? Alisa. That's final. Yo guys, anak sila na daw something mahitabo sa chapter 14. So, mag-start na kong record. Let's go. 3 months na daw sila ni Ryle o ni Lily, and taken aback siya kay nanawag si Ryle. Usually daw ga-text daw siya. It's off-putting na ang habol ni Ryle kang Lily kay sex. And sex, fair enough, sila naman sad, but that's just me. Siya na kasi dynamics ay. That's why I'm Team Ryle. Si Lily magudog atas kay, I don't know, mas lingaw basahon ang interaction ni Ryle og ni Lily. But that's just me. Did he just hit her? What? Mas concerned si Ryle sa iyang kamot kaysa kang Lily? Are you kidding me? Oh! 15 seconds. That's all it takes to completely change everything about the person. 15 seconds that we'll never get back. What the fuck, Ryle? Iyang kituyo? Or tungod kay nakurat lang siya? Oh my god. Kay napasok manggod siya and then lasing pa sila and then gikatawan pa siya ni Lily. Iyang kituyo? Or nakurat lang siya? Bitch, what the fuck? Nasamad ang kamot ni Ryle tungod kay gituklod siya ni Lily ug iyang kamot kina dapat sa buak nga baso. And then kinahanglan to kay naa siya upcoming surgery nga dako kaayo nga. Confused si Lily and same, I'm also confused. So nadumduman ni Lily ang iyang kaagi sa iyang papa. Ang kaagi sa iyang mama sa iyang papa. Concern kay siya kang Lily, mas worried siya kang Lily kumpara sa iyang kamot nga grabe ang pagkasama tapos na pa siya surgery. Tulo matali niya gituyo. I don't wanna defend him. His entire career depends on his hand. So it has to say something that he's not even worried about it, right? I'm so confused. Me too. Same. Ako gusto mo tiwasog basa. He just swore to her that he's nothing like her father. Ang tatinod na Ryle. But teka lang. Kay pati ako feeling betrayed. You're the most important part of my life, Lily. I want to be what brings you happiness. But teka lang. Uy, na sila sa restaurant ni Atlas. Or kung asa nagtrabaho si Atlas and then makita ni Atlas nga naanay Bruce ang right man yata, right eye. Like nagka-black eye si Lily sa iyang right eye. And I don't know what will happen. I don't know. Naka-stress na ako. Right, I swear. Ano namakak ka? Namakak siya. Ang giingon niya kang Alisa kay na-slide lang daw si Lily. And okay na to kang Lily? Nga namakak si Ryle? Guys, sino ko gusto magbasa? Kaka-tense ko. Ang bato si Mahita ba kung makita ni Atlas ang pasa sa mata ni Lily. Nakita na sila ni Atlas. Si Atlas ang chef. So si Atlas ang tagaya sa restaurant. Ha? Wait, magbasa sa ako. Nakita si Lily ang si Atlas. So, okay, that explains why nga nung waiter si Atlas atong last silang nagkita. Kay, bisag owner si Atlas sa iyang restaurant, which is Bibs. Pwede pa siya may dishwasher, and so tayo, chef, owner, sometimes waiter, sometimes dishwasher. Oh my god, 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 nakita niya ang black eye ni Lily. Tapos ang bandage sa kamot ni Ryle. Oh my god, di ko gusto magbasa. Say sunod. We find the new favorite restaurant, and the chef is an asshole. Ryle laughs. Yeah, but the assholes are the best ones. Ah? You mean you? Ay, so lang. Baka kulbuan ko. Giapas ni Lily si Atlas. Ug nagstorya sila sa restroom. Sa women's restroom. Guys, I'm scared. What if masakpan sila ni Ryle? Oh my god. What happened? He asks. I shake my head. Nothing. His eyes are narrow, still ice blue but somehow burning with fire. You're lying, Lily. I muster enough of a smile to get me by. It was an accident. Atlas laughs, but then his face falls flat. Leave him. Leave him? That's what Lily thinks. Ah! He's not like that, Atlas. It wasn't like that. Ryle is a good person. He tilts his head and leans it forward a little bit. Funny, you sound just like your mother. Oh my god, the parallel. Atlas. If it's any comparison at all, I'm more scared of you right now than I've ever been scared of him. My words make Atlas pause for a moment. His nod starts out slowly and then gets more prominent as he steps away from the door. I certainly didn't mean to make you feel uncomfortable. He motions toward the door, just trying to repay the concern you've always shown me. Ah! Nasakpan sila ni Ryle. Nasakpan sila ni Ryle. Gubot kini. Nag-away sila. Nag-away sila. You touch her again, I'll cut your fucking hand off and shove it down your throat. You worthless piece of shit. Guys, you mentioned niya ang ngalan ni Atlas. And then na-recognize ni Ryle ang pangalan niya Atlas. And then nadumduman ni Ryle tong naked truth nga giamin ni Lily to nasa sa rooftop. What the fuck? This is Atlas? The homeless boy you pity fucked? Ryle, what the fuck? Naka-disappoint ko sa imo, naka-disappoint ko sa imo. Team Ryle pa naman ko. Ha! Nagsinumbaga na sila. I meet Ryle's eyes as he begins to walk past me, scared of what I'll see in them. But there isn't any anger there, only hurt. Lots of hurt. I mean, yeah, I understand, but no. Dili na siya excuse para mo resort into any violence. Guys, I don't know. I don't like Ryle anymore. Don't tell her to get in. Don't tell her what to do. No! No! Excuse me. I didn't want this, Lily. I didn't want a relationship. I didn't want this stress in my life. What the fuck? Ikaw ang gapanguyab ni Lily. Ikaw ang gaapas ni Lily. Well, then leave. Yes, girl! Yes! I don't want to be your burden, Ryle. I'm so sorry my presence in your life is so unbearable. She ate. Like, yes! Sukli! Naa si Atlas sa flower shop ni Lily. Kitagaan niya gift si Lily. Nga, ano siya nga, 3 years na daw nga naa sa iya. Kaya iya daw gikip to in case nga makita niya si Lily. Huwag karoon nakita sila, yan ang hatag. Tapos, kato nga gift is picture ni Ellen DeGeneres with her autograph. Atlas! You guys, I'm going to make a promise to you, he said. When my life is good enough for you to be a part of it, I'll come find you. But I don't want you to wait around for me because that might never happen. Atlas! Gitagaan niya og magnet si Lily sa iyang birthday, 16th birthday, which is Boston. And the bottom in tiny letters, it said, where everything is better. Holy shit! Holy shit! Nasakpan sila sa iyang papa. Holy shit! Natinood ako, Fury! Hindi ko gusto magbasa. Gibugbog niya si Atlas gamit ang baseball bat. Grabing dugo-dugo siya. Nakasuko na ako sa papa! Sa mukha yung giatay. So, kato day yung tattoo nga heart. Dapat siyang collarbone. Dito day gina-kiss ni Atlas. Marag favorite spot ni Atlas. Kakagoal ko kay what if makabalo si Justin. Si Ryle ato. And then makita niya ang meaning sa tattoo. I don't know what he will do. Magpakasal na sila. Magkasal na sila. Si Ryle ug si Lily magkasal na. Nakurat ko, wait. Oh my God. Agad-agad. Like, walay proposal, proper proposal. Nadunggan lang niya kaningon si Lily nga. Kay, nag-what if man si Alisa nga, what if mag-propose si Ryle, pakasan ba ni mo siya? Of course, pakasan ako, and then nadunggan to di Ryle, and then siya, sige, pakasaw ta karon. Huh? Oh my gosh, no. Kasal gid sila as in legit. I don't like it. Lily, deserve better. Ryle, what are you doing? Guys, I'm scared. Feeling ko na, dili maayo nga mahitabo. Apparently, naa siya sa bathroom, and then she heard a crash. Nanawag siya sa ngalan ni Ryle, pero wa siya nitubag. And then another crash na sad. Then wa na sad nitubag si Ryle pag panawag niya. Guys, I'm so scared. Yawa! Nakita niya ang number ni Atlas sa likod sa cellphone ni Lily. And then gilabay niya ang cellphone. Oh my gosh. Gituklod niya si Lily sa hagdan. Pagka kay siya dagway me. Gigaslight niya si Lily nga nakagbong daw si Lily sa hagdan. Wala niya gituklod, pero yung gituklod. Nan ako sa 200 mark, 200 page. I can't believe nga nag-stay Japon si Lily kang Ryle after that. And then na-explain pod nga nga tong behavior ni Ryle. I mean, wala siya nag-justify but then yung gi-explain yung backstory nga katudang yung gi-share kang Lily atong naa sila sa rooftop katong first meeting nila is siya ditong nakapusil sa iya ang kuya si Emerson. 6 years old pa yata siya or something. And then, after ato kay therapy na daw siya, kay pag ma-upset daw siya or like masuko kay mag-blackout daw siya. And then, yeah, na siya mabuhat ngayong ato. Aware siya ato, but then, di niya makontrol yung self. So, ana si Lily nga, dili siya sure kung ma-forgive niya to, pero yung gidawat balik si Ryle and ga-justify siya sa mga actions ni Ryle. Para siya giyang mama. I can't believe it. Kasi sige siya ingon nga mas bigger daw ilang love. They'll make it through together. At least natupad ni Ryle yung promise nga pag mag-away sila and then pahangaw sa siya. Palayo siya kang Lily kay para wala siya mabuhat and then nag-away sila na sad kat nga gusto mo balhin si Ryle sa other place kay dito na siya magtrabaho for bigger hospital ana kay mas importante siya pa sa iyang career but then gusto ni Lily magstay sa Boston and then nakabuak siya base dili nakabuak gibuak niya isa ka base sa kasuko si Lily kay pero gidawat ra niya ngay nga to si Ryle and I don't really know if madawat pa na ko si Ryle. I know Team Ryle ko, but I don't know right now. He seems genuine. Open siya for help. Gusto siya makadawat og tabang. And I think genuine man yung love kang Lily, but then, might man good magstay ka sa relationship if abusive. He has his good moments. I think he's a good guy, but his temper and his past trauma and him being violent, I don't know. Guys, I'm torn apart. Puro kong si Lily. Dili siya excuse yung past traumas. Dili siya ma-justify, but gakaluoy pud ko sa iya. I don't know. Naghawid siya og Boston Magnet. And kato nga magnet, kay gikan to kang Atlas sa yung 16th birthday. Oh my gosh, I don't feel good. They are making love. Pero ano yung i-bring up ang magnet? Feeling ko na siya nabalaan. He just asked her, "Where did you get that magnet, Lily?" Gigpitan niya ang pagkahawid niya sa buhok ni Lily. Oh my gosh, he's going to hurt her. Nabala na niya! Yaw! Yaw! Nabasa niya ang journal! Nabasa niya ang mga journals ni Lily. Nabasa niya ang letters ni Lily. Mudali nung nakabalo siya. Oh my gosh! No! No! Ryle, let me go. I say my voice pleading. Please walk away. No, Lily! Karon ang gibuhat ni Ryle is gina-sexually assault siya and gina-justify siya po niya nga. Suko lang siya, nasakitan lang siya, dili siya si Ryle. No! Oh my gosh. Parallel siya sa iyang parents nga katong gina-force sa iyang papa, iyang self, sa iyang mama nga iyang na-witness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Gihedbot niya si Lily. Nakuyapan si Lily. Oh my gosh. Kaya na ako sa part where nangadto or nanganhi ang mga friends ni Atlas sa iyang balay and nagplay sila poker ni Lily. The reason why naghilak ko atong last clip is like nag-storya man god si Ryle og si Lily through tawag. Of course, I wouldn't want Lily to take Ryle back. Pero kung mayon kay sayang lang. Mura ko si Lily, kakasakitan pud ko sa iya og sa ilang relationship, like sayang. But no, dili ko gusto nga magbalik sila, never again. After all, sayang mga binuhatan kang Lily, no.
Hoy, sama kay si Atlas. Awa, I want to ask him why he did it. Why he didn't fight for me. But I don't have to ask him because I already know the answer. He thought he was giving me what I wanted. Because all he's ever wanted for me was happiness. And for some stupid reason, he's never felt I could get that with him.
He's so insecure.
He pulls back to look down at me, and when he sees my tears, he brings his hands up to my cheeks. In the future, if by some miracle you ever find yourself in the position to fall in love again, fall in love with me. Oh my gosh, I can't read. Kailangan ko. You're still my favorite person, Lily. Always will be. As his sister, I wish more than anything that you could find a way to forgive him. But as your best friend, I have to tell you that if you take him back, I will never speak to you again. Muna gingon ni Alisa. Oh, sakit kay siya. I can't imagine kung ako ang nasa yung position sa akong ingon sa akong best friend, but props to her. Correct siya, like, no. Ayaw siya baliki. Ano yung siya balikan? Siya na kailang friendship. I bring my hand up and rest it there, feeling the pounding of my heart against my palm. It's pounding because I'm terrified of him. It's pounding because I hate him. It's pounding because I've missed him. Miss kaya pa niya si Ryle. Kaya pa siya love kong Ryle. Nasi Marshall. I'm so confused. I don't know if maluoy ba ako, pero consider it kay si Ryle. Gusto day na si Marshall kay ding gikuan gisugo nga ubanan siya kay para wala siya mabuhat nga bad kang Lily. I asked him to meet me here so you'd feel more comfortable talking to me. Ryle says, he's here for you. He's here not for me. He's not here for me. Gusto na ko siya i-hate. I hate him. Pero ma-redeem pa si Ryle. Redeemable pa siya. Just because someone hurts you doesn't mean you can simply stop loving them. It's not the person's actions that hurt the most. It's the love. If there was no love attached to the action, the pain would be a little easier to bear. True. Bugag tagoy. You have no idea what I've been through these past 2 months, knowing what I've done to you. You have no idea? Mas worst kang Lily. Oh, I'll never be able to take back what I did to you. You'll never believe me if I promise it won't happen again. You are my world, Lily. My world. When I woke up on this bed that night and you were gone, I would never get you back. I came here to tell you how incredibly sorry I am. I came to tell you I was taking that job offer in Minnesota. I came to tell you goodbye. Now why am I sad? I should be happy. His voice cracks and he grips me even harder. Please don't take this away from me, Lily, please. Please, Lily, I love you. Help me. He's still nodding as he comes to a slow stand, fully aware that he's not getting my forgiveness tonight. I mean, you don't deserve any of her forgiveness, pero sakit kaayo siya. I wish this baby wasn't yours, Ryle. With everything that I am, I wish this baby was not a part of you. Kubala ko nga. Sakit kayo ito para kay Ryle. Do you want to take him back? She asks. I shake my head, but I also shrug. Most of me feels like I'll never be able to trust him again, but a huge part of me grieves what I had with him. We were so good together, Mom. The times I spent with him were some of the best moments of my life, and occasionally, I feel like maybe I don't want to give that up. Babe, you're clinging to the memories, not him. Sometimes, when I'm really missing him, I tell myself that maybe it wasn't that bad. Maybe I could put up with him when he's at his worst, just so I can have him when he's at his best. She really loved him. Unang galisod siguro siya og biya kang Ryle. Sakit siya. Gakasakitan sad ko. Mura ko ako si Lily. Every incident chips away at your limit. Every time you choose to stay,
It makes the next time that much harder to leave. Eventually, you lose sight of your limit altogether because you start to think, I've lasted 5 years now. What's five more? If Ryle truly loves you, he wouldn't allow you to take him back. He would make the decision to leave you himself so that he knows for a fact that he can never hurt you again. That's the kind of love a woman deserves, really. The day you gave your father's eulogy, I know you didn't freeze up, Lily. You stood at that podium and refused to say a single good thing about that man. It was the proudest I have ever been of you. You were the only one in my life who ever stood up for me. You were strong when I was scared. Be that girl, Lily. Brave and bold. My eyes fill with tears, and not for myself this time, not for the baby. I cry for Ryle, because even though he's responsible for the situation he's in, I know how sad he is about it. And when you love someone, seeing them sad also makes you sad. Sakit kayo siya. Ako sa part nga, nag-story na sila ni Ryle about sa ilang situation. Masugot man si Lily nga, napagya po yung right si Ryle sa ilang anak. Nakatala rin siya ka, what about us? Like, he really loved Lily. But, bisag ako, dili ko pusugot nga, magbalik sila. Sayang lang yun kayo sila. Divorce or reconciliation are really the only options. But neither is a choice I want to make. Ano si Lily? Naa si Ryle while nanganak siya. She's so brave. Nasugtan si Ryle sa iyang kilid. It's a girl. I don't make this decision for me and I don't make it for Ryle. I make it for her. Ryle, I want a divorce. Please don't do this, Lily. Just one more chance, Lily, please. His voice is bleeding, and I hate that he's been holding on to hope that I would eventually take him back. What will you say to her, Ryle? Tell me. I need to know what you would say to our daughter if the man she loves with all her heart ever hurts her. I would beg her to leave him. I would tell her that she is worth so much more. And I would beg her not to go back, no matter how much he loves her. She's worth so much more. In the last 15 minutes, he lost the love of his life. In the last 15 minutes, he became a father to a beautiful little girl. That's what 15 minutes can do to a person. It can destroy them, it can save them. My mother went through it, I went through it. I'll be damned if I allow my daughter to go through it. It stops here, with me and you. It ends with us. Ang title! Wala na ko'y luha eh, hilak. Wala na. Epelong na ko! Blue Eyes. Si Atlas. Nagkita sila balik ni Atlas. Nag-open ng bagong restaurant si Atlas. Successful lagi din kay siya. I'm happy for him. Diyog siya ni Atlas. Lily, I feel like my life is good enough for you now. So whenever you're ready. He's finally sure. He's not insecure anymore. I'm ready! You can stop swimming now, Lily. We finally reached the shore. The end. Hubaga na sa kumata, oy. Sakit ka ulo. Hoy, grabe. I feel like I need a minute to process everything. Just wait. Okay. Hubag kaya akong mata. Oh my gosh, I don't think I can recover agad-agad sa It Ends With Us yung story. Kahilakon pa ko. Wait. Tsaka kay siya. Sakit kay siya. I can understand ganong daghan dili ganahan. Labi na sa mga dugay na gid nga book readers. Masabtan ako kanon di sila ganahan sa libro kay ang writing like simple ra ang writing kanang wala kay siya show don't tell. But for me I really liked it. I love it. Mas nagmatter man gud para sa ako ang story and grabe, it hits hard. Wow. Wala ko na-expect nga maganahan ko tungod kay daghan kay negative reviews about sa It Ends With Us, but I like it so much. That's it. That's it. Thank you for watching.